Noodle Doodle.
One day, a sparrow and a crow were sitting under a small tree. The sparrow was always cheerful and bright, while the crow was always sad and full of negative thoughts. The sparrow asked the crow, "Why are you always so gloomy?" The crow replied sadly, "You don't understand, life is so hard. I never find peace, there's always something missing." The sparrow's response. The sparrow smiled and said, "If you change your perspective, you'll start seeing the beauty in the world. Look at me, I don't have much, but I'm always happy because I'm grateful for whatever I have." The next day, when the sparrow and the crow were sitting under the tree again, the sparrow said to the crow, "Come, let's do something good today." The sparrow picked up some small seeds from the ground and planted them in the soil. The crow was a bit surprised and asked, "Why are you doing this?" The sparrow replied, "What we do brings us a sense of joy. I want these seeds to grow into trees so that we and other animals can find shade." A few days later, beautiful trees grew from the seeds, and everyone found comfort under their shade. The crow understood the sparrow's words and learned that happiness in life doesn't come from having everything perfect, but from being grateful for what we have and making the best of it. Happiness is not in the things around us, but in the way we think. A person who looks at life with a positive attitude is always happy.